What up, guys? What is going on? I'm back to vlogging on the original vlog camera. I don't know. The camera quality on this camera is just amazing. I literally love it. It's a lot better. The only thing I just don't like is the shakiness, you know. Like any little movement I do, it just like goes all over the place. But back on this camera again, like I was saying, like the colors and stuff on this, it doesn't compare to the iPhone, so I might just go back to vlogging on this. But I know you guys seen the title, I know you guys seen, and yeah, it's time for a new chapter, time for something new. So officially moving out of New York City. Still gonna be in New York technically. Moving to Rochester, so that's 6 hours away, upstate, close by like Buffalo, stuff like that. Yeah, my wife just got a really big position out there. It's an amazing position. And yeah, the Civic is coming with me. I'm paying somebody that I know to take it for me. The Jeep, my wife is gonna take it with some stuff in it. And as you guys can see across the street, I have a U-Haul. So I'm going to load up everything there today. And then the CRV is going to get transported also. But my wife's company is going to be paying for that. So, yeah, there's a lot going on. But they're paying for a lot. Basically like a whole travel expense. So we're going to be staying at an Airbnb for about like 3 months fully paid. And then while we look for a house and stuff out there. So, yeah, it's definitely nervous. Definitely going to be different. I'm not going to have anybody out there at all. So, like I said, it's just going to be, I don't know, it's just going to be a completely new life. I am going to be trying my best to make a lot of content out there, because that's what I'll mainly be focusing on for a while we move out there. It's going to be mainly YouTube and stuff like that. And that's what I mainly am going to be focusing on. So now, more than ever, I'm going to need you guys help. Not necessarily help, but like just, you know, watching the videos, liking, commenting, you know, all those stuff. You know, I'm going to definitely like need that now more than ever, because it's going to be, that's what I'm going to focus on like now all the time. It's just going to be making content on YouTube, stuff like that. I got a whole streaming setup. I don't know if you guys seen. I did like a test live stream on YouTube, and some of you joined. There's like 63 people in total had like joined, like from going back and forth. Yeah, so I'm gonna be streaming like Call of Duty, GTA, RP, stuff like that. You know, stuff that I love to do, but I want to also be doing regular, like, you know, I'm gonna be talking, chatting, watching videos, just a whole bunch of stuff in general that I'm gonna be doing. But I'm going to be mainly just focusing on content, like trying to do stuff. But I don't know anybody out there. I don't know anybody in Rochester. I seen they have like a car community out there. They be doing like road racing and stuff like road racing. Well, roll racing. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to try to, you know, get into as much stuff as I can over there. I've seen they have like some car shows and stuff like that also. But I'm just gonna try to get into as much as I can, try to make as much content over there. The garages that I'm gonna have with it is super small, so I'm gonna have to basically be doing work again outside, which is okay, because we're gonna end up getting a house within like the 3 months that we're there, and it's definitely gonna be a 2 to 3 car garage that I'm gonna have. I'm gonna try to, like, you know, have it fully heated and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just time for a change, something new, you know. That's why I've been really focusing on trying to get this car ready. And I've been telling you guys I needed an emergency. And a lot of stuff been going on in the background. We've been moving. Everything is packed in the house. A moving company came, grabbed like about like 80% of our stuff, put it in storage for us, fully paid. Everything is basically paid for. The Civic I'm paying out of my pocket to get it transported, because I don't like, you know, these companies taking my Civic and treat it like shit and fucking, no. I don't need any of that, so... yeah, I guess I'll pick up the camera back again when I guess I load up the truck and stuff like that. It's gonna be kind of a different vlog. I just wanted to let you guys know exactly what's going on. out. Last day on this block. Gonna miss it. All the vlogs I've done over the years. Honestly, everything I've done, you know, on this block, in this backyard back there, famous backyard. But it's time to move on. I'm gonna check out this U-Haul because this thing is full. Park it outside. I'm about to come pick up my CRV in a little bit. I'll take this out. My wife is gonna be dropping this. Alright, this thing is super packed. Packed to the brim. I'm gonna open up too much, but you guys can see this thing. And this thing is packed to the brim, literally. We just did a little stop. Got some McDonald's. Stretch our legs. The girls are playing inside. Walk the dog. And then we're about to hit the road again. We got... I'm not even sure how much longer we got. I think we got like 2 hours and some change. We have 2 hours and 45 minutes left. So it definitely has been a lot faster in the daytime. I drove twice in the nighttime, coming and going both days. It was nighttime and it felt longer than what we just drove. Like the time just like went by so fast. So yeah, we're gonna hit the road again. And we should be there by maybe by like 4ish, almost 5. So far, so good. Alright, y'all. So we got here ready. We already unpacked. Take everything out. U-Haul is empty. This is the crib. Got the Jeep right here. Got the garage where the Civic is going to be staying when it arrives. So I think there's plenty space for the Civic to be here. And if I need to do any type of work, I think I'll be good. I think there's another light here too. Right? Yes, sir. It ain't much, but I mean, it'll do. I'll bring my own light, but there should be plenty of space for the Civic here and shit, so it should be good. Turn this light off. It's the backyard. It's nice. And it's the house we're staying at right now. I'll give you guys a little tour of the crib. And I'm going to start setting up my PC and stuff. I might have to like run a wire, my internet wire from like the basement to up there, because the router's like all the way down there, so I might have to see if that works. Front of the house is nice. Got a little chill deck area right here, a little front porch. It's cold out here, but it's nice. All right, y'all. So it's been a couple days. I don't know if you guys seen like regular videos, but yeah, here I am. I'm in Rochester, New York. I didn't really get to show you guys the house, but yeah, it's a big house. This is just a temporary house. My wife's job is paid for it for 3 months until we get our own house, which we already been looking for. But my CRV has arrived, Jeep has arrived, and guess what else has arrived? Let me show you guys right now. It's like the best part. Look what else arrived. The Civic is here. I already washed her up. She's been in here for about a week. Yeah, she's been here for about a week. So, washed her up, but this paint is still like really bad. I need to get some clay bar, which I'm gonna do soon. I'm gonna get some clay bar, some detail spray, start spraying the car, and I'm hitting it with some with a clay bar because this paint has a lot of overspray from like a whole bunch of different things. When I painted the engine bay, everything, like not driving the car, you know, it sticks. So yeah, but I'll show you guys. I'm not really gonna show you guys the house. I'll just show you guys like my streaming stuff, because if you guys have been in tune, I've been streaming every other day now. I gotta come up with a schedule and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna show you that. But I'm gonna start I'm gonna continue another vlog now, which is putting on my start and finishing up. So I'll close out this video when I show you guys the rest of upstairs.